Okay, so this is a quick video description of the assignment for this week. It's to create a sticky, smooth, active navbar with CSS. A little bit of JavaScript in this, but you can take the JavaScript and it's sort of like boilerplate JavaScript, and you'll be able to use it in yours as well. So this is the example HTML from here to down to here, and then you'll notice at the bottom there's a script, a JavaScript block, which you should be able to use. The one things you might have to change would be this part right here, and then you might have to change. Actually, that should be it. That you have to change for that. But you'll notice if I nav ULLI and A, if I copy that and then do a search in the example CSS, so to find and see if I can search that like that, I get these two things right here. So that that thing that we just saw in example HTML, it's referring to this right here, and it's also referring to it in, if you look, nav ULLI and A, nav ULLI. So it's really talking about these right here in the HTML. So there's you got to have a similar connection going on between the JavaScript down here, the HTML, which really these are the links. I'll do a live serve so you can see what this looks like. Actually, I think it's already served right here. So this is what it looks like, and you'll notice this will scroll to whatever section you want to go to. If I want to go to 5, it'll go there. If I want to go to 6, 8, like that, and so on. So it can go back up, and it highlights. And the cool thing is that if you manually scroll, it will go along with it, right? So you look on the left side, you see it highlighting based on where you are, which I think is a really cool feature. So this is something that it's kind of complicated, but I'd like for you guys to be able to do this because I think it's pretty cool. Again, the toughest part of this is going to be integrating this block with your code. Okay, but it should be mostly boilerplate, so you just got to play around with it. And then the part that you're going to be looking at will be this right here, the challenge. And so you'll be manipulating challenge and challenge.css. If I go live with challenge.html, you notice it looks like this, has 6 sections, so you don't even have to do anything. Right now, if I click on it, it does go to section 1, it does go to section 3, section 5, but it doesn't scroll. And also the other thing is, I like for each one of these maybe background colors to be highlighted the same way this one gets highlighted based on where you're at. And also the scrolling should be work with it as well. So right now, it doesn't matter where you are. There's no notice of where you are right here, which I feel like it'd be a nice little skill for you to have. So that's what we're doing this week, and that's it.